We reckon that there's about as much water going over there as there is in the River Kent. And it's falling so far and so much of it that it actually looks like it's in slow motion because the mountain is that big. If you can make out some weedy little dots near the top, those are trees. Ridiculous. There's another stream there. That's a bit closer as we find. Go up. There's another stream. And if we go across, permanent snow up there. That's where all the water comes from. And it's a ridiculous amount. Go around here, and that's just across the road from us. It's quite warm here. Permanent snow. Can you make it out at the top of that mountain? That permanent snow, thick layer of it. It's probably about 40, that V, 40-50 foot thick snow. All around. Permanent snow. Doesn't melt. So bloody high. It's ridiculous. Those green bits are trees growing on a bloody mountain face. They are huge. We go here. There are not words to describe how big the bloody things are. They are stonkingly enormous. There's the trees, distance, mountain, a huge waterfall. Not like Avatar, it's permanent water running from nowhere, except the permanent snow that's up there melting. Right. And down, round. There's the bikie. There's the tent. There's the other bikie. There's the nice lady across there from Roseville putting her tent up. And there's Dave talking her to death, poor lass.